Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting to show you. The 2025 Tricycle Camper. Yeah, you heard that right? It's a camper, built onto a tricycle. And before you scroll away, thinking this is just a novelty, trust me, this thing is a serious piece of innovation. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a digital nomad, or just someone who loves the idea of off-grid travel without a gas engine, you're going to want to see what this little beast can do. So let's start with the basics. From the outside, the Tricycle Camper looks sleek and compact. Think of a futuristic cargo trike crossed with a teardrop trailer. The frame is constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, making it both lightweight and durable. The entire camper module is made with insulated weatherproof composite panels that can handle rain, wind, and temperature shifts, ideal for year-round travel. And yes, it's pedal-powered, but it also comes with a powerful electric assist motor that gives you up to 60 miles of range on a single charge. So whether you're riding across town or taking it out into the countryside, you're covered. Now, let's get into the cool part, the interior. When you pop open the back hatch, you'll find a cozy, super-efficient living space. There's a fold-down mattress that converts from a seating area to a bed in seconds. Along the walls, you've got smart modular storage, space for your clothes, food, a power bank, and even camping gear. There's also a fold-out desk setup so you can work from anywhere, whether it's a lakeside view or a downtown park. The roof-mounted solar panel powers built-in LED lights and USB charging ports, so you can keep your devices running and stay off-grid for longer. Some models even include a tiny roof vent or fan for airflow and optional thermal insulation for cold weather camping. One thing I really love is how much thought has gone into the design. Everything has a purpose. The camper is narrow enough to ride on bike lanes and sidewalks where allowed, yet tall enough inside for you to sit up comfortably. It's surprisingly stable too, thanks to its three-wheel base and low center of gravity. There's even suspension built into the rear to absorb bumps in the road, making your ride and your sleep a lot smoother. And let's talk lifestyle for a second. The 2025 Tricycle Camper isn't just a product, it's a philosophy. It's about slowing down, simplifying, and embracing mobility. You don't need to wait for vacation anymore. Your escape is literally parked outside your front door. Imagine doing your morning emails while sipping coffee inside your camper, then hitting the trail for the afternoon. Or pedaling to a nearby lake, setting up camp, and falling asleep to the sounds of nature, all without ever touching a gas pedal. That's the kind of freedom we're talking about. Who's this for? Honestly, anyone who wants to travel light and think differently. Urban dwellers tired of high rents, retirees looking to explore, students living on a budget, minimalists chasing a low-impact lifestyle, even delivery cyclists or eco-entrepreneurs looking to convert this into a mobile pop-up shop. The possibilities are kind of endless. All right, so if you're still watching, chances are you're at least a little intrigued. And you should be. The 2025 Tricycle Camper isn't